Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airliner review, and today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Delta Airbus A330-300. This is a 2012 release. It's in production. Comes in the 2008 colors with the SkyTeam logo, and the registration is N821NW, which it was a Northwest plane before Delta bought them, which is why it says NW on it. And it is powered by two Pratt & Whitney 416-8A engines, and that's pretty much it. It's actually, I've had this a few weeks, and this is really the first time I've even taken it out of the package. I didn't even realize it was a former Northwest plane. It's a Darren Worldwide Trading thing again. This one seems to be pretty popular. Anytime I've bid on one on eBay, which is where I won this one from, seems to always be snapped up. Oh no, correction. I didn't win this one on eBay. I actually got this one from airlinemuseum.com because I was tired of bidding on it on eBay. I kept losing it. For the past year, I just keep losing it by like 5 cents or $1 or some kind of ridiculous crap like that. The little sharklets, or the winglets there. Actually, yeah, those are winglets, not sharklets. See that Northwest Airlines registration. Turn it to the side here. Actually seem to have amassed quite a decent Delta fleet. Oh yeah, it does have rubber wheels. It doesn't have plastic ones. They don't roll though. Real nice gloss finish on there. I've noticed that about some planes, especially the older ones, that the gloss finish isn't as good as you would like it to be, or I would like it to be. Good model. Good stuff on the engines. Got the APU on the back. But, oh, it's a little close there. Give you an idea what it looks like when it's about to crash. But that's pretty much it. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to ask and or say your 2 cents, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Okay? Later, everyone.